The second part of the first line after colon is emphasizing the first part. The passage gives a reflection on the deeds firmly done by Trump, many of which had been indicated by him earlier in different junctures as anticipation and warning. Both prescient and foresighted suggest that Trump and his functions have proven to be remarkably anticipated earlier, so choice C and D feed the blank with relevant sense, supported by the supportive part of after the colon and the perspective of the whole passage. Neither popular nor lucrative have a synonym among the other choices. Moreover, the two go beyond the sentence emphasis on the work of Trump. Rather, they go for abstract appreciation only of the other responses, serendipitous and fortuitous, are similar in meaning, that is, coincidental, but they do not fit well with the word remarkably, nor with the emphasis on Trump and his function given by the line after the colon, which are so certain. So the correct answers are choice C and choice D.